So I remember a time when I used to make skateboarding videos, and I tried to make one some time ago when I still lived in Montpellier. There was a skate park called Gramont. So I went there one day with my camera and stuff. I was ready to film a nice skate edit, and from the start of the session, there was something off with my board. I had this issue where I just couldn't do the tricks that I wanted, and so I just at the middle of the session, which is supposed to be the middle, I just stopped everything and I went home because it was super annoying. I just couldn't do the tricks I wanted to do. I actually still have the footage of that session, so I'm gonna try to make a little cool edit of it. The problem I was having with the board was that my truck is supposed to be parallel to my board, and it was kind of like shifted by 1 or 2 degrees. So like every time I wanted to turn, it wouldn't turn as much as I wanted it to, or at least what I was used to it turning to. Everything was off. I just couldn't land the tricks that I wanted to land. And there was nobody around so that I could ask for like a skate tool so that I could fix the problem. I actually now always have like a bundle, a skate tool, nuts, bolts, bearings, everything, so that like I have a safety net in case I have an issue. But so who cares about all that? Today I brought you to the magnificent Bois de la Cambre. The city of Brussels has installed a little skate park. It's a temporary skate park that has been built for the summer, and let's just have some fun on it, I guess. So I had this idea of like this photo shoot, photo montage thing, and it's in this place. So it would be me having to go down it like a bunch of times while I'm taking a time lapse. So it's photo after photo after photo, just a bunch of photos of me going down. And at the end, it would be like this whole gang of me coming, like bombing this hill. And I thought that would be super cool. So we're here, and we have the Ronin set up, everything's set up. We just have to start now. So let's do that. So shirt goes back on, and we're restarting for a bit of time. I think we have enough for the day, and there's like this party behind. Looks fun. but so this is what I was looking for. That is precisely. That like over here somewhere would have been really nice, but I have it here. So yeah, that's the end of the day. Alright, so to end this video off, I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about my inspiration for this shoot, the photo shoot actually. So there's this YouTube channel called Mango Street, and these people actually made a video quite a long time ago, 21st of September, it's almost a year ago, 21st of September to 2020, and it's for photographers to take their own self-portrait. In this video, one of the photographers called Ebuka Morty, he actually takes a self-portrait. He's actually the only one who edits his self-portraits in the sense that he like he can cut himself out and then like replace him with like artificial stuff, which none of the other people did. They actually like took a photo and like edited that, but like there's no cutting out and stuff. He's the only one who actually like cut himself out, which was unique to this entire video. And he made this. So this is what he made. This is Ebuka Morty right there. That's him. And so this is what he made. So like he's in the center, and then there's like a bunch of people cloned. Well, like it's a bunch of still shots in the same frame, and he just moves in the frame, which is what I did. And at the end it creates a cool result. So I thought, just why not try this of a bunch of skater bombing a hill having fun, which is what we actually as skaters do a lot. And so yeah, at the end of the day, this is the result. So yeah, it's like you can see me, me and me. I did 2 rounds, one with shirt and one shirtless. Why not? And you can even see the light trails. You can see like there's trails of like here and there. That's what I was trying to get by changing the camera settings instead of like all getting one fixed image. And I think it turns out pretty nice. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope that you like it. And hopefully more videos to come. School's restarting, so that might be a challenge, but we're gonna try to make it work. And I'm also, a little challenge for me, I'm switching from Premiere to Davinci Resolve because it's free, and the other one is pay. You have to pay to use it. So yeah, that's gonna be the new thing. This is the timeline of the video that you guys are watching right now. So it's quite complex. Not really, but it's pretty simple, but like for me it's starting to get somewhere. And hopefully more videos that you like will come. So yeah, I might change it to French, in a French language, because I live in Belgium. So the people here can watch my videos. But I'm gonna do that from now on. Je vais parler français à partir de maintenant. Donc voilà. So yeah. So see you in another video.